Hey guys, so sometimes when I need design inspiration, I like to tour model homes, so I thought it would be cool to bring you guys along. So I hope you enjoy this design inspiration field trip. Alright guys, so today we are at Pulte Homes. This is the Oasis, 2155 square feet. And now this is the model here. So right here, to the left of the entrance, I believe this will probably either be a sitting room or a formal dining, but they just have it set up as their design and showcase room where they're showing their different tiles. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is me right here. I love that. All right, so that is, I think, the formal dining room. So this is the front door that we came in, and this is the hall going into the great room. So to the right, this is the garage. So that's where the offices are. But down this hall, oh cute, like a little mudroom area right off the garage. That's cute, I like that. Really simple, just hooks on the wall. And then a really big laundry room, which is good. Y'all saw when I redid my my laundry room. This is the only thing I don't like. These wire shelving. I just wish some of the homes came with cabinets, but that's always something you can do later. But we installed cabinets. If you did not see that video, I will link it up above for you. But it just looks better too. It does. But this is a really nice size laundry room. And look at their floors. Look at this tile. This is very large. It's probably oh, 2 feet, 1.5 foot tall. I mean, not, yeah, 1.5 foot. Yeah, close to 2 feet. Some big tile. Very nice. All right, so right here, let's see what this is. Oh, this is AC. Wow, look at these photos. Those are really pretty. Can you guys see the glitter in them? Those are nice. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so let's see which one. Okay, so we'll go here first. So this is a bathroom. I love this. This is a great idea. Taking your curtain all the way up to the ceiling, and even if it's not your actual, shower curtain, because this is just more for decor purposes. I love that. That's beautiful. But you would have that, and then you would still do your rod. I have a regular shower curtain in there, but yeah, that's beautiful. It makes the bathroom look very large. So that's an idea. And then sinks. That's nice. All right, so here's the first bedroom that they have set up like a nursery. Oh my God, that is so cute. You guys, let me tell you, I love, I kind of feel like less is more a lot of the times. So like this right here, this huge mirror right here, just this big statement piece, that is gorgeous. And you don't want to do too much around it to take away from it. That thing is huge. I don't even know if you guys can tell on camera. Let me see if I can. Can y'all see me? This thing is huge. thing is huge. I hope y'all can see. But this is really cute. So they just did one accent wall and not even really, they only just did a couple of stripes, but it looks really good. I think stripes look really good for a kid's room. That's cute. Okay, I just have a linen closet there. And then another guest bedroom. Another cute mirror, very nice light. See, this just shows that you really don't have to do a whole lot. I mean, accent wall, some nice lighting, and then just your furniture. I mean, really, you know, that's the key. You want something to make a statement, so you have your accent wall to do that. Lighting is really important because it kind of pulls the room together. And then your furniture. Yeah, this is cute. Alright, so leaving out of this room, now we're gonna go into the kitchen area. Nice. So I really like a lighter kitchen, and this is what me and Antonio are fighting about. I want white cabinets. He does not, but I'm thinking a compromise, because have you guys seen the two-tone kitchens? I really like that. So I'm thinking about doing our cabinets white on the top and then leaving the bottom dark. So then that way, you know, the kids, it should be fine. And then also leaving our island dark as well. But this is their kitchen here. I like these light fixtures. And the one thing I noticed, they don't have any handles on this. Maybe they're gonna put them on later, but yeah, they definitely need some handles on those. But the countertop is nice. It's actually almost similar to what we have. And then the subway tile backsplash. It's really nice. And the island is a good size too. It's a really good size. Let's see what type of pantry they got here. Okay, standard pantry. They could definitely stand, all of the builders could definitely stand to make some larger pantries. But that's the kitchen. These lights are gorgeous. And then that overlooks into the living room. Now, what you guys don't know is my mom is actually in the market right now for a new home. She wants to be closer to us, and we would love that. And she wants an open floor plan concept like this. So this is cute. Let's look at. I love those pillows with that, with those prints, the wall art back there. That looks really nice. And the poofs are cute too. Those are a good idea for extra seating. These two poofs here. And just a nice thick rug. Wow, that rug is really nice. And so that is an overview. I really do like the size of this tile. This tile is huge. Nice big wide tile. Nice open floor plan. Let's see if we can find the master, which I'm sure is right here. Ooh, look at that light. Now that's different. Let me step back real quick so you guys can see the bed. I love the bench at the end of the bed. this light, y'all. Wow. And I know the camera's probably not doing it any justice. I wish y'all could see the size of this thing. It is huge in person. That's gorgeous. See, a huge light or a nice statement light. I'm telling you, less is really more sometimes when it comes to design. It doesn't have to be overly filled with decor on like every single inch of the wall, like how they have these two pictures here. That looks really nice, but sometimes people can overdo it. Like they feel like every empty spot has to be filled, and it just really doesn't. Less is more, and sometimes filling up every spot like that will kind of take away from a design. But this is nice and clean. I really like this a lot. Look at this bed. This bed is gorge. Yeah. And you guys, nowadays you can find these headboards. You can find these headboards all over the place. They're not even really that expensive anymore. I mean, you really can. You can go in Home Goods and find headboards now. I mean, these lamps are really nice. And to me, honestly, the furniture is kind of basic. What is really bringing the design out is the accents. Like these lights, oh my God. This is a really nice bench. I wonder, oh, that's cool. It's 3 pieces. Yeah, so they just put 3. That's a good idea. So this is the closet. And again, we're back with the wire racks. Yeah. Okay, for those. Pieces of artwork, and then the master bathroom. So the master bathroom is a little small to me. However, I mean, it's a good size depending on your family size. It's doable. It's doable. Yeah, see those shower tile? That inlaid shower tile is nice. It just kind of breaks up some of the plain tile there. So yeah. So I'm gonna give you one more overview. There's another nice mirror, but one more overview of the master. Really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to do something different and kind of give you guys some design inspiration. And looking at models is something I like to do. Even when I was not in the market for a home, I would just like to go look at model homes. So I thought this was dope. Thought y'all might like it. So hopefully you did, and if so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video.